Hello children. In the previous lesson, we have been talking about plants around us. Today, we will talk about animals around us. You know, our world is a beautiful place. There are different kinds of animals, birds, insects. Some animals are big, some are small, and some are very useful to us. Wild animals. Animals that live in forests are called wild animals. Pet animals, animals that we keep as friends at home. Domestic animals, these animals we keep in our home and are very useful to us. Like cow, buffalo gives us milk. From milk we make cheese, butter, curd, etc. Hen gives us eggs. Animals like horses and donkey carry load for us and help us to carry people from one place to another. Thank you.